If you're struggling with New York Open, here's a play-by-play of my NASDAQ trade from the live stream from a couple weeks back. In this, you'll see how I wait for the market to unfold, how we wait for the confirmations to all line up, and how we prepare for the entry and the exit. So a lot of this is based off of my system. This video is gonna be a guide so that you can work a bit more on your patience and know a few things that you might need to find your perfect entry and exit. Enjoy. We also did have some sideways movement, some liquidity, and during the second half of New York session yesterday, we see the market do this. So you have liquidity, resistance, we sweep that, sideways movement, massive imbalance. So we could see the market work its way over to here, and eventually that would be a fantastic sell. Obviously, if we're looking at this, then we're thinking, well, couldn't we take a buy up to that zone? We could, but we need proof. We need evidence. We need data to be able to take a trade. And then NASDAQ here has left some equal highs just all in this range. This is kind of a mess. So again, we want to adapt to market behavior. So look at this. Now let me ask you guys a question. So would you sell in here? I personally, if this keeps going this fast, I'm not going to sell. And I'll tell you why. Because what this shows me is that there's not demand for down here. The demand for this price, at least as of right now, it's just that no one's willing to keep, like, people want price higher, or not people, money, right? Whoever's buying clears money there, clears money here, clears money here, clears money here, right back up. So this may turn into something like this, and then you can see a different type of trading environment. You might get a trade like over here. So yeah, all right, markets bullish. These are ripping. This is starting to show 5-minute accumulation type of vibes. So yeah, wait for this one. It looks to me like we're gonna get enough demand. We've been trading up here for a bit now, so I think we're gonna get a good demand and look for buys over here. Yeah, that's exactly how it went. So you can actually see the full recording in my live stream section, but the trade didn't trigger in that moment. It was a couple hours later, but yeah, there's some screenshots here. I'm sure they'll pop up somewhere over here of me actually taking the trade and exiting based on exactly what it was that we were talking about. I do these live all the time. Mondays, I do them during Asian session, and then as of right now, Friday, New York Open, we go live for a couple hours. So if you enjoyed this, make sure you're subscribed, drop a comment if something stood out to you, and I appreciate you guys. See you on the next one.